Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you the best ways to rack up Microsoft Rewards points fast, right on your PC. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fast tech tips. Alright, let's jump in. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Microsoft Rewards and hit Enter. Log in with your Microsoft account, make sure it's yours. Then open a new tab, search Chrome extensions, and click the Web Store link. Look for a legit Rewards Helper extension, click it, and hit Add to Chrome to install. Back in your Rewards tab, open the extension settings. Set mobile and desktop searches to a low number, like 0 if allowed, and click Run Now to start. Check the top left of your screen for a search prompt and click it when it pops up. Head back to Rewards, hit Recharge, and watch your points climb. And that's it. You've successfully boosted your Microsoft Rewards points. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.